Hello guys, how are you? My name is Juan Diego Montoya and today we are going to do a 5-minute lesson. So the lesson of the day is 5 wild animals that we will meet together. Let's start. I want to start the lesson with a question. Do you like animals? Because I like them so much. I love any kind of animal, but my favorite animal is the bear. My favorite animal is the bear. I want to know which is your favorite animal. Oh, that's great. Let's continue with the activity. First of all, I want to do an activity with the shadows of the animals and the sounds of the animals. So let's hear them. Do you know the animal which make this sound? Yes, it is a lion. And as we know, the lion is the king of the jungle. Let's watch a lion. Here it is the king of the jungle. Sorry. And do you know that lions are familiar of cats? Yes, they are. So let's continue with the following animal. What's the animal which makes this sound? It is an elephant. Elephant. The elephant is huge. Let's see an elephant. It is taller than humans. And the next animal makes this sound. And the animal is a dog. And as you know, dogs are aquatic animals and fly animals. They can fly long distances and also they can swim in the water. And the next animal I know that you know very good. So let's continue with the next one, and is a horse. Is a horse. This animal is a horse. So horses can run faster than humans, and we can ride them. We can ride horses, and they loud. Let's continue with the following animal. And this animal makes this sound. It is a monkey. Monkeys jump higher than humans. Let's watch a monkey. Yes, a monkey. Monkey. So I'm going to continue with a little quiz. It's a prehistoric quiz, so let's start. Well, we should help them to hunt their food because they are hungry. So, arrastra el fuego y busca al animal que hace este sonido. So, let's check. Is it this animal? No, it isn't. It is the lion. Is it this animal? No, it isn't. It is a dog. Oh, is it this animal? Let's check. Yes, it is a monkey. Monkey. Remember, monkey. Let's continue. So, arrastra el fuego y busca al animal que hace este sonido. Let's check. Is this one? No. Is this one? No, this is the monkey. So it should be this one. The horse. Well, very well. So, thanks for the dinner. They are eating now. And finally, I want to do a little review about the animals we know today. the elephant, the dog, the lion, the monkey, and the horse. Remember them. Bye bye.